Okay, hi, this is me. I'm in Birmingham. Today is Wednesday, the 27th, and big tornadoes coming this way. Now, the tornadoes just ravaged Tuscaloosa, which is to the southwest of me. And this, according to the compass on my iPhone, is roughly southwest. So you'll see that the sky is lighter over here, and it gradually gets darker, and then it looks like it's got a red streak in it. And this is where the danger will come from. It will come from the southwest of me because the storm is traveling northeast. That's where we are now. The TV is out here, the power is still on, but according to the last report I did get, the storm was due here approximately 6:20, and it is now 6:05. I'm eating a Reuben sandwich from Applebee's. The hotel has promised to call me if it's time to go downstairs and huddle. If we lose power, I will go downstairs anyway, because I'm not sure whether or not the phone system works here when we lose power. So that's the situation right now, and I'm gonna eat my sandwich some more and get back later. It's getting really dark southwest. The lights just flickered. I think we're going to lose power shortly, so I am going downstairs now. Okay, I'm at the elevators. The lights just went out, which means the elevator is not working. So I am going to take the stairs 4 flights down and follow the instructions of the hotel, which was to come to the first floor, and they would tell us where to go from there. All right, it's getting really dark now. There's no emergency lights on this landing, and so I'm going to use the flashlight in my iPhone to light the way. Second floor. First floor. The rain, the noise is getting thunderous. Okay, here's a shot of the outside. I cannot physically open the door. I think something is right up on us. Moving to the lobby now. Excuse me. Okay, we see debris flying. Excuse me. Debris is flying. This is it. Really exactly on time with what the weather service was saying. There is the direction of the storm. Okay. got an electric pole. Can't see from here that has been over. It's a high tension pole. Electricity is likely to be out for the rest of the day. We had just a piece of debris of roofing. Just came off the hotel. Gonna step out a little bit into the rain to see where my car is. That's all right. Coming back inside. It is getting eerily calm here now, which makes me think that it is either passing or we are in the eye of the storm. Trying to adjust the settings on the camera so that we can see more. Although we're in the middle of the lightning storm now, my sense is that things are calming down a bit. Aira Bambi Jakuta Omorigbao Tashegun Ajalaye Ajalorun Oyao Luweku Yansa Hepa.
Alright, where we going to eat?
Let's go.
Right now.